With so many options available in the smartphone market, it can be overwhelming to decide which phone to choose. However, the Google Pixel 7 stands out as the best value phone on the market for a multitude of reasons. Its combination of affordable price point, powerful hardware, great camera, impressive battery life, regular software updates, stock Android experience, Google Services integration, 5G connectivity, water and dust resistance, and possibly expandable storage make it a top choice for anyone in the market for a new phone. And it is already generating a lot of buzz in the tech community. Google has a reputation for producing high-quality products, and the Pixel 7 is no exception. With its expected mid-range price point, the Pixel 7 offers incredible value for its price. In today's video, we will be showing you reasons why the Google Pixel 7 is the best value phone. Without further ado, let's begin. Affordable price. One of the main reasons why the Google Pixel 7 is the best value phone is because of its affordable price point. While other flagship phones can cost upwards of $1,000, the Pixel 7 is expected to come in at a much more reasonable price range. This means that users can still enjoy top-of-the-line features and capabilities without breaking the bank. Powerful hardware. Despite its budget-friendly price, the Google Pixel 7 is still expected to come with powerful hardware that can compete with other flagship phones on the market. It is rumored to come with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, which would provide lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Additionally, the Pixel 7 may come with 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM, which would allow for even smoother performance. Great camera. Another reason why the Google Pixel 7 is the best value phone is because of its camera. Google has always been known for their impressive camera technology, and the Pixel 7 is expected to be no exception. It may come with a 12-megapixel primary camera and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens, which would allow users to capture stunning photos and videos. Additionally, the Pixel 7 is expected to come with advanced camera features such as night sight and super res zoom, which would further enhance the quality of photos and videos. Impressive battery life. The Google Pixel 7 is expected to come with impressive battery life, which is another reason why it is the best value phone on the market. It may come with a 4,500 mAh battery, which would provide all-day battery life even with heavy usage. Additionally, the Pixel 7 may come with fast charging technology, which would allow users to quickly charge their phone when needed. Regular software updates. Finally, the Google Pixel 7 is the best value phone because of its regular software updates. Google is known for providing regular software updates for their Pixel phones, which means that users can enjoy the latest features and security updates without having to buy a new phone every year. This ensures that the Pixel 7 will remain up-to-date and relevant for years to come. Stock Android experience. The Google Pixel 7 is expected to come with a stock Android experience, which is another reason why it is the best value phone on the market. This means that the phone will run on pure, unmodified Android software, without any added bloatware or customizations from manufacturers. The benefit of having a stock Android experience is that users can enjoy a clean and streamlined user interface that is free from unnecessary features and apps. This can result in a faster and smoother user experience. Google Services integration. As a Google product, the Pixel 7 is expected to come with seamless integration with Google services such as Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Photos. This means that users can easily access and use these services without having to download additional apps or software. Additionally, Google services are often free to use, which can save users money in the long run. 5G connectivity. The Google Pixel 7 is expected to come with 5G connectivity, which is the latest and fastest mobile network technology. This means that users can enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds and seamless streaming and downloading. Additionally, 5G connectivity can improve the overall performance of the phone, making it even more powerful and efficient. Water and dust resistance. Another reason why the Google Pixel 7 is the best value phone is because of its water and dust resistance. It may come with an IP68 rating, which means that it can withstand being submerged in water for up to 30 minutes without damage. This makes the Pixel 7 a great phone for outdoor adventures and activities. Expandable storage. While it is not yet confirmed, there are rumors that the Google Pixel 7 may come with expandable storage via a microSD card slot. This would allow users to easily expand the storage capacity of their phone without having to purchase a new device. This can be especially useful for those who use their phones for media storage, such as photos and videos. Sustainability and environment friendly. Google has been making strides towards sustainability and environmental friendliness, and the Google Pixel 7 is expected to reflect this. It may come with a more sustainable design and use of materials, such as recycled plastics and aluminum. Additionally, Google may include features such as a power-saving mode to reduce energy consumption and carbon footprint. Google Pixel exclusive features. As a Google product, the Pixel 7 may come with exclusive features that are not available on other Android phones. For example, the Pixel 7 may come with the latest version of Google's virtual assistant, Google Assistant, which is known for its advanced natural language processing and ability to perform tasks on the phone. Additionally, the Pixel 7 may come with Pixel-exclusive software such as the Google Recorder app, which can transcribe audio recordings in real time. Personalization and customization. The Google Pixel 7 may come with various personalization and customization options, which can enhance the user experience. For example, it may come with customizable themes, fonts, and icon packs that allow users to make their phones unique to their personal style. Additionally, Google may include features such as a live wallpaper that changes based on the time of day or weather conditions. Excellent customer service. Finally, the Google Pixel 7 is the best value phone because of its excellent customer service. Google has a reputation for providing exceptional customer service with knowledgeable and friendly representatives that can assist users with any issues they may encounter. Additionally, Google offers a warranty on their Pixel phones, which can provide peace of mind to users in case of any defects or issues. The Google Pixel 7 is the best value phone on the market for a variety of reasons. Its affordable price point, powerful hardware, great camera, impressive battery life, and regular software updates make it a top choice for anyone in the market for a new phone. With its expected release in 2023, the Google Pixel 7 is definitely a phone to watch out for. The Google Pixel 7 is the best value phone on the market for a multitude of reasons. Its affordable price point, powerful hardware, great camera, impressive battery life, regular software updates, stock Android experience, Google Services integration, 5G connectivity, water and dust resistance, and possibly expandable storage make it a top choice for anyone in the market for a new phone. If you found the video valuable, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of the upcoming tech videos.